know, Jack. The car feels strange.
What do you mean?
It's shaking a little. Wait, I think it's a flat tire.
Really? Not today. Please.
I'm serious. Pull over.
Okay. I'm stopping the car.
Great. Are we late for work now?
Let's check the time. It's 8:15.
Oh no, we have only 30 minutes.
Relax. We'll fix it fast. I'll take a look.
Is it bad?
Yep, it's as flat as a pancake.
Wonderful. Just what we needed.
Do you have a spare tire?
Yes, it's in the trunk.
Perfect. Hand me the jack, please.
Here it is.
Okay, almost done.
Is it working?
Yep, the new tire is on, tight and ready.
Wow! You actually did it.
Of course, I'm basically a mechanic now.
Good, because I was starting to panic.
Don't worry. Crisis averted.
You saved the day, Jack.
Teamwork, Emma. Now, let's hit the road before we're really late.
Yes, and next time, let's check the tires before we leave.
Deal. But you're the one checking next time.
Ha! We'll see about that. Jack, I tried the new dress.
Nice. How does it look?
It doesn't fit. It's too tight.
Oh no. Didn't you check the size?
Yes, it was my size, but it feels smaller than usual.
Maybe the store uses tiny human sizing.
Ha! Very funny. But seriously, it's uncomfortable. I can't even breathe.
Can you return it?
I think so. I still have the receipt.
Good. Take it back tomorrow.
But I really liked this dress.
You can exchange it for a bigger one.
Do you think they'll have my size?
Probably. Or you can choose another style.
I don't want another style. I liked this one.
Don't be upset. We'll fix it.
What about your new shirt? Does it fit you?
Honestly, it's too big. I look like I borrowed it from a giant.
So both of us have problems.
Yep. One too small, one too big. We're the perfect shopping disaster.
Next time, we must try the clothes in the store.
You're right. No more quick shopping missions.
Tomorrow, we'll go together.
Deal. And we'll choose carefully this time.
Perfect. Problem solved.
Until the next shopping adventure.